right now I have the speaker wire hooked up, and just got to give it one more quick look real quick before I plug it in and see if it works, because I don't want to get electrocuted here. Got to make sure there ain't no screws or nothing laying around. Alright. Okay. Here goes nothing. Now, see if we got sound. Unfortunately, no sound, but as you see, the stereo light is lit, so right here it means there's a signal coming in, but there's nothing, no volume. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what else to do here. It's up all the way. Maybe it needs a ground. Nope, that didn't do it. I don't know what to do, man. I tried fixing the volume. Well, wait a second. You can hear a little in the speaker whenever you turn it on, but I don't know what else could possibly be wrong with it, man. What I could do is get a whole new knob, unsolder that whole entire thing there, and solder in a new one. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, because I'm stuck, man. I don't know what else to do for this poor thing. Well, guess that's all for right now. It's not working. But there is one thing at least I can say before I close off this video. At least I tried. Even though it wasn't a success, I don't think I messed up anything worse than what it already was. And you know, maybe it just wasn't meant to be for some odd reason. I don't know. But at least I tried. It's one thing you always got to think of whenever you try and fix something and it doesn't work. Always say to yourself, at least I tried. Then that always makes the whole situation better in your mind. So, I'm not going to give up on the stereo, though. I'm not just going to, like, dump it away like a lot of other people would do. I'm going to save it and just going to gather up all the screws and stuff, you know, and then after that I'm going to, I don't know, just keep it up in my room with the rest of the junk I have, and then hopefully I can find the knob with 6 prongs like that has. I don't think the new ones are like that. I think they have like yeah, the new ones are cheap. They're chintzy. They're not made decent like that. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not, but I'm not just going to throw it away. If it comes down to it, I'll just keep it in my room and use it for parts. But, you know, that thing was built right. I'm not just going to throw it, man. I can't picture myself doing that, because that would be like me throwing away my boombox over there that you see. I have had that radio since I was about 12 years old, right before my 13th birthday. And trust me, man, me and that radio have gone a lot of miles together on my bike, in the past, all kinds of stuff, man. Oh, the microphone's over here. I hope you can hear me, but as I was saying, that radio over there and I have been so many places together. And that poor stereo right there. It's a beautiful piece of equipment, I can tell you that. But I tried to fix it. You know, I tried. And that's all that matters. So I'm going to close off this video now. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas on how I might be able to fix this thing, I would greatly appreciate it. But I don't know, man. It's life, you know. Thanks for watching. Please push that little thumbs up button. And I guess that's it. Thank you. Feel free to leave a comment or send me a message about some things I should do in the future maybe, or I don't know, just send me a message. I like when people send me messages and stuff because I get bored and there's nothing else to do besides break my toys like this. So, alright, see you later, man.